Good morning, my name is Steven Osorio. I am 28 years. I am studying telecommunication engineering and additional to having studied electrical technologies. I currently work as a technical and commercial engineer in an electronic security company. For this occasion, I am going to present two songs that I like very much. The first song is from a group called The Fugees, and the song is called Killing Me Softly. It's the music of is the rap reggae genre. I will describe this song with the word beautiful and feeling. It makes me feel happy and want to dance. I reminds me of days where I would sit down to listen to her with a glass of wine and good company. And it's important because the lead singer seemed to me to be a beautiful woman and transmit feeling. The second song is from Mr. Willie Colon, and the song is called Ausencia. This song is from the Salsa Hand. I will describe this song with the words love and feeling. It makes me feel and put me back to the pain that person must have felt when losing your beloved. Makes me remember the times of yesteryear when we were young, and it is important because an additional to begin a very beautiful song. It is instrumental and who sings it makes me an excellent moment more enjoy. Thank you.